They're super loving, super affectionate. When we adopted her, she was terrified, very skittish. It was probably a day and D'Angelo won her over. He's very calming for her. She was about 6 months old and a 12-year-old boy shot her. Loud noises really just terrify her. Come on. Her tail was paralyzed, and about 6 months ago, she started wagging her tail a little bit.
Looking away. Oh my goodness.
She still falls a lot. She just gets up and runs more and gets up and runs more. She was very comforted when he was around. He's a very special dog. He's come so far. He was so weak. And the vet said, let him go, he's gone. And Craig said, no, his eyes, he's looking at me.
He stood up for the first time and actually sat down and looked at me to be proud of him.
He just wants to be a good boy.
All of a sudden, he had the pounds packed on. It almost seemed like it was overnight.
We got him almost exactly a month after he was rescued. He came right to us, leaned into us. He's very intuitive. He feels like somebody needs something, he'll go and lean on them. He's got a very calming effect on people. He was made to feel better, and he wants to make everybody else feel better too. She's still a little skittish sometimes, scared of loud noises and sudden movements. If we introduce her to another person, if D'Angelo was there, she's okay. We gave Carmen confidence.
You can do it. There's a good girl. Yay! Yes, handsome baby, she get up there soon.
She'll never be 100%.
You can do it. Oh, yes!
From what she came from, she is just doing remarkably well. We have a pack of 4 now, and she is the one that loves to play outside. She never, ever wants to come in. She snuggles the most with D'Angelo. They adore each other.